Hold.
Good job, everybody. All both. Slowly and together. Approach the start line now. I will hold you on the start. If you fall behind, I may start the race without you. Bring them up, everybody.
Hold boot. 20%. 5%.
Let it run, please. 4.
10%.
Boat 2, you want to shift a little to the left, please. Let it run. 3.
Let it run.
Hold 2, please.
Backs, get ready. Give me a couple.
Hold 1, please. And hold 3. Boat number 2, could you bring
back, give me one.
forward
Back, give me
one
one.
seat, please, and hold hard.
No, but keep it in there if you
And
can.
3, 1 seat, and hold hard.
Back. Hold. Back 6. 1.
Thank you. 2 hold.
Perfect.
3 hold.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
All boats, hold hard. We have alignment. Are you ready? Attention.
2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 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 4, 5, 6. Up. 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 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And reach. Dig, 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 dig. More lean. Dig, 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 dig. You got it. Dig, dig, dig. More. Dig, 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 dig. Hold hard. Oh, that was fun.
Hold hard. Get the down there. Left-hand turn, head right back to the dock, please. Great race, everyone. I think people got confused. I think they forgot that it was only